Milwaukee have developed a reputation for being one of the most reliable and innovative power tool brands in the world. When you see red, white and a lightning bolt on the side of your tool, you know you're in safe hands. However, what people aren't aware of is the fact that Milwaukee extends much further along than being, just having a few power tools on hand. They have a lot of trade-specific tools available. You can see some of this in the likes of their MX Fuel range, but they have such a massive variety of tools that cover the automotive industry. With both the M18 and the M12 ranges, Milwaukee have a smattering of tools to keep you covered if you're a mechanic or if you need anything regarding car maintenance. From the likes of your impact wrenches to your inflators and beyond. A personal favourite of mine is this. This is Milwaukee M12 Polisher Sander, and it kind of embodies that philosophy of Team Red in that this tool can absolutely get the most out of whatever purpose you need it for. Now, this has modes and attachments that suits both polishing and sanding, and you even have a switch on top so you can switch between the two functions. But Milwaukee don't just stop there with their power tools, because you've even got some battery-powered LED job lights, which are very handy, when you're working with cars. And that is because they utilise Milwaukee's TrueView LED technology. This combats some of the regular issues that people have with LED lighting, and this just makes everything look much clearer, crisper, and more accurate. The TrueView technology combats the struggles that you'd have with normal LED lights, giving you a much brighter, clearer and crisper colour. This kind of technology is going to be ideal if you ever need to colour match. But it doesn't stop there. You don't even need to own a Milwaukee battery to be using some of their best tools, because Milwaukee have a wide range of handy hand tool sets as well. You've got some nifty wrench sets, and you've even got some ratchet and socket sets as well. And also, some of these are being released in pack-out cases, so you can keep them stored and secure no matter where you are. And speaking of pack-out, Milwaukee's pack-out workshop range is going to be perfect for people in the automotive industry. Being able to store your tools and grab them at a moment's notice is going to be a time saver, especially if you're working in a garage or a workshop environment. So you can keep small bits in little containers attached to the wall, and you can even keep your blue roll wall mounted as well. All of this is a recipe for success, and it just proves that Milwaukee have you covered whatever trade you're in. And that's the thing, it's the storage, it's the power tools, the hand tools, the lighting, all of it comes together and has you covered no matter what. And you can find all of these tools in the Milwaukee Superstore over at its.co.uk, your home of everything Milwaukee.